Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. So first, go to the top left corner right here that says Steam, click on settings, scroll down until you see downloads. Then once you're there, what you can do is changing the download region. So choose the download region that's closest to you. So if you're from Australia, choose the one closest to you. Canada, China, Germany, India, etc. So I'll choose the one closest to me. I'll choose this and then click on restart now. So if that still doesn't work, what you want to do now is go to Steam again, go to settings, click on storage. Click on storage, and then once you're there, once you see your storage folder, all you have to do is click this three dots right here and then press on repair library. And once you click on repair library, Steam will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? All you have to do is press yes. And then so you can see it's now repairing the library, so wait for that to finish and I'll see you guys in a sec. So once it's done, this will pop up. It will say repairing library folder is done. So click on close, and then if that still doesn't work, what you can do now is go to library, click on the game that has problems. So for example, I'll use this one. Right click the game, go to properties, go to installed files, and then press on verify integrity of game files, and then wait for that to finish. So what this will do is that Steam will check if there are any missing files in your game folder. So if there is, Steam will re-download those files for you. So once you're done, you'll see this message over here that says all 1206 files have successfully validated. And then if that still doesn't work, go to Steam again, go to settings, go to downloads, scroll down, and make sure to clear download cache. Click on that, and also make sure that shader pre-caching is enabled. So I will clear cache, click on confirm, and then Steam will shut down, and then you'll have to log in your account again, and then you are done. So that is pretty much it on how to fix missing files on Steam. So I gave you guys a lot of ways on how to fix it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.